Hey everyone! Big news on the wireless front. Total Wireless, a Verizon-owned prepaid carrier, has launched some seriously hot deals this summer, and we're breaking them down right now. 50% off their unlimited plan when you bring your own phone. That discounted rate stays locked in for 5 years. Unlimited data, hotspot, roaming in Canada and Mexico, international calling, and even a free 4th line. Plus, free phones when you add a line. Section 1, the core deal. If you're switching to Total Wireless and bring your own device, you'll get 50% off the Total 5G Unlimited plan forever. No gimmicks, no temporary intro price. It's yours as long as your service stays active. Normally, the plan runs $55 per month per line. With AutoPay, that drops to $25 per month, half off. Your first month will still be $30, but from the second month onward, you'll enjoy the full discount. And here's the kicker. Total Wireless guarantees that price for 5 years. No price hikes, no surprises. Section 2. What you get. Here's what's included with the Total 5G Unlimited plan. Unlimited data with no throttling or slowdowns. 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot data. Roaming in Canada and Mexico with up to 10 gigabytes of roaming data. International calling to 85 plus destinations. Texts to 200 plus destinations. Add more lines and your 4th line comes free. And if you upgrade to the Total 5G Plus Unlimited plan, you'll unlock unlimited hotspot usage at speeds up to 5 megabits per second. That means you can tether as much as you want, perfect for streaming, gaming, or sharing data on the go. Section 3. Phone deals. It's not just about the plan, there are free phones too. Get a free Samsung Galaxy A36 5G when you add a line with the 5G Unlimited or 5G Plus Unlimited plan. No trade-in required, just port your number. Or grab a free Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 edition with any plan activation. Both options give you a solid device with long-term software support and all the perks of the plan. Extra for recap. Here's a quick recap of everything Total Wireless is offering. The unlimited plan costs $25 per month with AutoPay, after the first month at $30. That price is locked in for 5 years, so no hikes or surprises. With the 5G Unlimited plan, you'll get unlimited data, 15 gigabytes of hotspot, roaming in Canada and Mexico, international calling, and even a free 4th line. Step up to the 5G Plus Unlimited plan, and you'll unlock unlimited hotspot at speeds up to 5 megabits per second. And on top of all that, you can choose a free Samsung Galaxy A36 5G or a free Moto G Stylus 5G 2024 edition when you activate service. Let's wrap this up. Total Wireless is bringing some of the most compelling prepaid deals this year. Half off unlimited service locked in for 5 years. Strong perks like hotspot, roaming, and free lines. And free 5G phones to sweeten the deal. If you're looking for budget-friendly, no-contract coverage, this is definitely worth checking out. Drop a comment. Are you making the switch? Would you pick the Samsung or the Moto? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more carrier breakdowns and money-saving tips.